Hi there, Kim from Sun. Today we're going to be talking about how you can assess a business opportunity. So we are going to be going through a framework that we developed a long time ago, because when we're doing turnarounds and jump starts with companies, there's lots of decisions to be made and lots of different people, and things do not move if you don't make your decisions fast and make smart decisions. So that's why we developed this framework. So the framework that we're using is actually called the SCOPE Navigator. We're going to do something really low tech. When we do this with our clients, we use worksheets and we, kind of roll it out in a really kind of fancy way, but we're going to go no frills, and this is going to be just as effective. So what you're going to do, you're either going to get a piece of paper, or you're going to fire up a Word document or a Google Doc, or you're going to use a spreadsheet. And super simple, you're going to have one line down the middle, and one column is going to be green light, and one column is going to be red light. We're going to go through each of those 5 scope areas. I'm going to ask you 4 or 5 questions under each, and you're going to answer the question, is that a green light and it goes in the green light column, or is that a red light and it's going to go in the red light column? So the first category is S, and that stands for self-alignment. This category focuses on how this opportunity lines up with your strengths and your values and your goals. So here's the 5 questions. Number 1, does this opportunity align with my core values? Number 2, does this opportunity utilize my strengths and provide me an avenue for developing new ones? Number 3, does this opportunity align with my short-term and long-term goals? Number 4, will this opportunity contribute to my personal or professional growth? Number 5, do I feel passionate or interested in this opportunity? So that takes us through self-alignment. Next in the SCOPE model is C, and the C stands for cost and benefit. Number 1, what are the potential benefits of this opportunity? Number 2, what are the potential risks or the downsides of the opportunity? Number 3, what's the worst case scenario and can I handle it? Number 4, what resources, we're talking about time, money, energy, will this opportunity require? Number 5, is the potential reward worth the risk and resource investment? Next is O for overall impact. So this category considers this opportunity, how is it going to affect other areas of your business or other areas of your life? How will this opportunity affect my work-life balance? 2, how will this opportunity impact my relationships? Number 3, will this opportunity require a change in lifestyle, and am I ready for that? Number 4, how might this opportunity affect my health and well-being? So that's it for overall impact. Next is P for practicality. So for practicality, what we're looking at is how does this opportunity line up with the current situation that you find yourself in your life or in your business? Number 1, do I have the necessary skills and resources to seize the opportunity? 2, is the timing right for this opportunity? Number 3, how does this opportunity fit with my current commitments and responsibilities? And finally, number 4, can I realistically commit to this opportunity? The final filter here is E for expansion possibilities. And as I mentioned at the beginning, what this step is all about is figuring out not only what are the possibilities that this particular opportunity is going to bring you, but what might this possibility lead to? Number 1, where might this opportunity lead me in the future? Number 2, how does this opportunity fit into my current business and career trajectory? Number 3, what new skills, networks, or experiences could I gain from this opportunity? And number 4, could this opportunity lead to other opportunities down the line? So it wouldn't be a Sun video if we didn't have a challenge. Essentially, my challenge for you is to listen to this video, take out that sheet that we talked about, whether it's a document or a spreadsheet, evaluate your different opportunities through these filters, and try to do at least 1 or 2 of these in the next 3 or 4 days. So I hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, please put them below. I do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. We'll see you in the next video.